Hello everyone. In this video tutorial, we will understand about one of the innovative tool available in ZWCAD. By using this tool, we can be more productive and we can save a lot of time. The tool name is Batch Block, and there is artificial intelligence behind this tool where we don't need to manually select the similar type of items. And after selecting those similar type of items, whether it is block or non-block item, we can replace them with another block item, or we can convert into the block. Let us understand that. Here I have a layout, and in this layout, let's say I have this sink unit which is not a block. I also have different type of sinks. This is also similar but rotated at another angle, and this one is different. So suppose my task, wherever I have this type of sink, I need to select all of them, and after selecting I also want to replace them with another block item or maybe another sink unit. This is different. This I do not need to replace. So wherever I have this type of sink, this one I need to select and need to replace. In ZWCAD, we have a very good tool that is called as batch block, and you can find the tool under your smart tab. So smart tab actually consisting most of the innovative tools or artificial intelligence based tools. Here we can find batch block. You can simply click on batch block, which will open a dialog box where it will ask you to select the match object. So once you click on the match objects, it will launch another dialog box which is smart match. So this allows us to select the similar type of shapes, whether it is a block or non-block item. You can see here match object setting. Let me select it first, and I'm going to select this item here. Hit enter. Now you can see matching object settings. Match object with different angles or match objects with different scales. So irrespective of their angle or scale, software allows us to select them. Whether the object is resized, whether the object is rotated, depends. If you want to select all of them, you can keep this like these settings open active. In case if you do not want to select the rotated items or different scaled objects, you can just uncheck them. Hit match after that, and depending upon the size of your file, it might take a while, and you can see that the software has already selected the items which are similar, rotated, and in case if scaled. So these are the items which software has found, and once we have selected, you can see the other sync unit. This one was not selected because it is having different shape, and see, we can be more productive by using this tool. Once we have selected it, here it will ask you select matching result, confirm, rematch, exit. I'm gonna confirm it, and then it will take us to the batch block item. Now here we have two options. One of the option is I can create a block out of it, or maybe I want to replace it with another block. I'll click on replace block, click on the browse, and select the desired block with which you want to replace it. Let's say I'm gonna select it, open, and then specify insertion point. Once you click on it, it will automatically zoom into that area where you want to place it. If the scale is correct, then fine. If not, you can also define the scale factor as well as the angle here. But in my case, angle is already aligned, scale is already aligned. I just need to hit batch block. It will ask you the block, new block already exists. Would you like to redefine it? I'm gonna hit yes, and there we go. You will see the items has been replaced already. You want to check them, smart match, source object. Now you can see this is a block item. Hit enter, match, and again you will see it will take a while, and you will see all those items are selected and already replaced. So this is how we can be more productive, and we can utilize this innovative tool in ZWCAT. I hope that is clear. Thank you so much.